What if I told you you could make money like a freelancer without working like one? Thanks to AI, that's now possible. Let me show you the tools. 1. Writing Work Tool 1. KoalaWriter writes full blog posts with AI. SEO optimized. Ready to sell. People charge $50 plus per article. You just paste a title, Koala does the rest. Tool 2. Jasper AI perfect for ads, emails, and social posts. You can sell marketing content, but Jasper writes it for you. No copywriting skills needed. 2. Design Work Tool 3. Kit'll make logos, thumbnails, and posters. It's like Canva, but smarter. You can sell designs in minutes. AI does 80% of the work. Tool 4. Loca a full branding kit in one click. Logos, colors, fonts, all generated. Clients think it's custom, but it's 100% AI. 3. Video and Audio Tool 5. Pictory turns scripts into full videos. Stock footage, subtitles, and edits, all automatic. Offer video editing without editing.
Tool 6. ElevenLabs AI voiceovers in studio quality. No mic, no recording. Just upload the script and sell the voiceover. 4. Business automation. Tool 7. Durable.co makes a business website in 30 seconds. Sell websites for $300 plus. No coding, just copy and deliver.
Tool 8. ChatGPT plus Zapier. Use ChatGPT to write. Use Zapier to automate. Offer email replies, customer support, and more, all on autopilot.
5. Chatbot Tool 9. ChatGPT. Write prompt for any bot like you want to make a chatbot for e-commerce websites. Then you write prompt about website and which thing you need in bot. Then ChatGPT give you code. Then you easily download it and sell to any website owner on $500 to $5,000. It depends on bot features, and you also do it to DeepSeek. I recommend that do this with DeepSeek because I also do this and earn $1,000 monthly by it.
Final tip. Combine these tools. Offer full service, write, design, voice, video. You control the gig. AI does the job. You keep the money. Want a step-by-step how to find client with AI? Then comment yes. And like, subscribe, share for more AI income hacks, weekly. And sorry if any mistake on video. I am new creator. Show you also suggest me in my comments. I will give reply all.